this season we are wearing masks all the time, and it does give us a problem. One is that you will find that your skin under the mask gets really, really dry, because I think the mask does not allow the air, or the mask takes away the moisture, and you will find that your skin gets really dry. The other thing, of course, is you're going to find that you get a little line here and here, because the mask is, resting on your cheeks, and some even get a line here. Now, for that, of course, one of the things is use a mask that's a little not so tight. That's one that helps, but then again it goes down. So what I normally do is, which I never used to do before, I follow a skincare routine which is completely different, and than what I used to use before, and it really helps a great deal. You have to I use, of course, now I clean with a cleanser, a dry skin cleanser, and after that I finish cleaning, and then if I want to use face wash, I use one, but normally I don't use a face wash because I've got a really dry skin. And after that I use a toner, and I urge everyone to use a toner.